Hey Hennessey Performance fans, my name is Blake. This is a brand new 2026 Denali with our H600 package. We're going to talk about the performance, the wheels, the tires, the exhaust, the brakes, do a full walk around so you know what you're getting into. Let's see what this ultimate family hauler has to offer. All right, so our H600 package comes with an upgraded supercharger and serialized numbering plaque so you know which one of the builds you have. We do a really nice, beautiful powder-coated red blower lid so you really know that there's something going on under here. All these vehicles do come with carb emissions, so they're compliant in all 50 states. All right, next is the stance. We equipped the Yukon with a front and rear lowering suspension system, gives the vehicle a nice performance forward posture. This is what changes this thing from a big, bulky SUV to a performance-driven vehicle on the road. Hey, let's talk wheels and tires. So we do a really nice 24-inch black wheel upgrade from Hennessey. You got the sport tire. We also do the GMC Performance brake upgrades from the factory to give you that added stopping power. All right, you can't have a performance SUV without some nice exhaust notes coming out the back. So our upgraded exhaust gives you that nice, powerful sound without losing any of the refinement you expect from the Denali trim line. All right, that wraps up the walk around on this H600 Denali Yukon upgrade. All of our builds would not be complete without the Hennessey 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. This Yukon is getting loaded up today. It's heading out to one of our exclusive dealer partners. Be sure to reach out to a GMC dealer near you so you can get one in your driveway.